Hello foodies, today we bring to you another amazing, super delicious recipe. This is one of our favorite recipes, especially for the Bakra Eid or Eid al-Adha season, which is coming up. For this recipe, you will need a kilogram of lean round meat, which I've cut into cubes, 3 tablespoons of garlic paste, 3 tablespoons of red chili flakes, 1 1/4 tablespoons of salt, as well as 3 tablespoons of vinegar. What I've also done for additional toppings is 3 sliced potatoes very thinly, 3 onions cut into rings, as well as 3 green chilies, which I've cut into halves very roughly. You're also going to be needing 2 eggs. And then over here, what you're going to need to do first is just take all the meat as well as all of the spices and add in about 3 cups of water and just put that to boil. That footage got deleted somehow, I don't know, which is very annoying, but basically you just want to set it to boil, and then you want to reduce all the water until you get to this stage. You're going to take the meat out into a separate bowl. Into that same oil, I'm going to be adding in the onions, and you're just going to let those get nice and caramelized in that masala and the oil that's already in there. For the potatoes, you're simply going to fry them up until they turn nice and golden brown. Super simple, super easy, but it ends up being a very delicious recipe. So just let those fry up until they're nice and golden brown, and then that's what your onions should look like. And I just directly took the potatoes out and put them into the same pan, and on medium-low heat you're just going to start and mix those together. And in the end, you're also going to add in the green chili so you can get the aroma of the delicious green chili. This is such a delicious combination. It's amazing. I'm obsessed. You're just gonna let those mix all together and leave these on low heat. Then for the meat, all I'm going to do is I whisked both of the eggs, and then I'm simply going to be adding in all the meat into there and just mixing that up. And then we're going to just pick that up and deep fry it. You want to fry it until it's nice and golden brown. And you don't need to worry about anything having to cook through. You just want it to get crisp, and once it's crisp, you're ready to go. And then I directly took the meat out and put it into the same pot. I didn't want to dirty extra dishes. There's no point because everything's gonna mix anyways. So just directly put everything in the same pot that you're mixing everything in. And then you're just going to end up mixing everything together anyways. Serve this with rice, with roti. You can even serve it as an appetizer because it's nice and dry. But it's a very unique and delicious dish. I hope you guys stay tuned for more. See you guys in the next one.